Could this be the future of construction? Clean, green, hassle-free modular extensions added to any house in a matter of days.
We can build any room, bathrooms, kitchens, bedrooms, offices, living rooms, whatever room you'd like, basically.
The modular pods are built and fully fitted out at the GMC factory in South Wales, and then transported anywhere in the country and simply craned into place. The install takes just a few hours compared to a traditional build, which can often take months. This is especially important for vulnerable families where the stress of an on-site build may be difficult to cope with.
You don't get the morning noise, you don't get the mess left by all the contractors, you don't have to then clear up after them every day. It's all very minimal. You almost won't know that anybody's there, and by the time they've left, that you'll have an extension.
Before the pods can be lifted into place, our workers spend a few days laying foundations that work around drains or other infrastructure.
When the pod is installed, we seal it against the house by lapping the roof covering up and sealing that with a metal trim and sealing down the sides of the pods where it meets the house. This prevents any damp ingress.
It's exactly the same finish as you'd have in a normal traditional build. We don't think there are any things that modular builds can't do that the traditional can.
The buildings may be modular, but they meet every standard that social landlords or building control demand.
They are timber frame construction. We've got 2 layers of insulation so that we exceed any building regs that are currently in place.
One of the main advantages is that you can reuse the pods. Because we haven't damaged the back of the building, we make good the ground, and then that can be reused in another property.
Our builds avoid lots of normal construction delays, like bad weather. This means we can predict costs more accurately.
Our pods are comparable, if not cheaper, than traditional construction. It's more cost effective because we have control over waste.
We use sustainable materials and we recycle anything we can't reuse.
Being environmentally friendly was something that from the beginning of the company we were very sure on. Currently we've got a net zero target for 2026 that we're working hard to achieve.
These pods are mostly used in social housing, but they can be used wherever a fast, bespoke solution is needed. For example, private homes, schools, and even temporary accommodation. It seems incredible that a pod that takes just 3 weeks to build in a factory can rival traditional construction and may very well be the extension of the future.